Want to move your publisher designs to Canva? Canva can't open a .pub file, but it's the easiest switch of them all, if your work actually fits it. Canva is perfect for some publisher jobs. Flyers, posters, event materials, its templates shine. Social graphics? It was built for those. Simple brochures and non-designer teams. Ideal. And schools and non-profits get Canva Pro free. Lowest barrier of any alternative. But be honest about the other half. Long newsletters with text flowing across pages? No. Canva can't link text frames like Publisher did. Commercial print with exact CMYK color? Not Canva. Need offline, or strict data security? Skip it. For those, use Affinity or InSign. Fits your work? Here's the move. Convert your .pub to a high-res PDF or image. Univik Pub Converter batches it, no publisher needed. Upload it to Canva as a background reference. Rebuild your design with editable elements on top, then hide the reference and save it as a template. A few things make the rebuild painless. Match your fonts to Canva's closest equivalents. Set a brand kit with your exact color codes. Turn on rulers and guides for clean alignment. And upload your own logos and photos. Don't settle for stock. Do you need Canva Pro? Depends. Free covers PDF backgrounds and custom sizes. But Pro unlocks the brand migration essentials. Custom fonts, brand kit, print ready export. For rebuilding brand templates, get Pro. But first, ask yourself one thing. How many templates do you actually use? Not the archive, the ones you open every week. Rebuild those in Canva. Everything else, just archive it as PDF. Canva's the friendliest way off publisher. Convert your files now, while it still opens.
Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.